Hey there, entrepreneurs! Are you ready to unlock a $500/day income with Deepseek AI? Let's dive into how this revolutionary tool can skyrocket your earnings. First up, AI-generated content creation. If you run a blog or niche website, Deepseek AI can whip up high-quality articles in no time. Imagine monetizing your content through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, or even selling ebooks and digital courses. Automate your content production, drive traffic, and watch your income stream grow. Next, let's talk freelance writing and AI-assisted services. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are goldmines for offering AI-enhanced writing services. With Deepseek AI, you can write and edit articles for clients, create product descriptions, and offer AI-powered SEO optimization. Knock out multiple projects daily and hitting that $500 mark becomes a breeze. Now, don't sleep on YouTube automation. Deepseek AI can generate video scripts, voiceovers, and even help edit videos. Running a faceless YouTube channel? No problem. Monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. With the right content strategy, scale your channel to thousands of views and substantial income. Finally, let's dive into AI-driven dropshipping and e-commerce. Deepseek AI can assist in creating product descriptions, generating engaging social media content, and even automating customer support with AI chatbots. Streamline your operations, scale your store, and see those profits roll in. Deepseek AI offers endless money-making opportunities. By leveraging AI-powered content creation, freelancing, YouTube automation, and e-commerce, you can build a sustainable online business and hit your $500/day goal. Start implementing these strategies today. If you're pumped to make $500/day using Deepseek AI, don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI money-making strategies. Drop a comment below if you're ready to start earning with AI. Stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.